Hello friends, we have morphology. Morphology, as you can see, morph. That is a Greek word. Morph means shape. That's the meaning. Morph. You know morphing, no? Means changing the shape, morphing. And ology. Ology means study of anything. So morphology means study of shapes. In this case, in linguistics, it is study of the shapes of words. Study of the shapes of words. That's the meaning of morphology. Now, for the first time, this term was used by the German philologist, linguist, you can say, August Schleicher. He used it first time, morphology. Now, in English, what happens? In linguistics, what happens? In morphology, we study the forms of words. Secondly, word making, how to make words. And thirdly, analyzing words. And fourth, studying the internal structure of words. And fifth, you can see how words change. Changing words. This happens especially in grammar. Now, forms of words. For example, you see singular, plural, see past tense, present tense. These are different forms, isn't it? Or we see adjective. From noun you make adjective. Adjective you make noun, isn't it? For example, you say like this, capacity, then we say capable. So that is study of forms of words. Then word making, that is, for example, you have got history. You can make another word, prehistory, isn't it? Beautiful, you can make beautifully. So that is word making. Analyzing words. So you get a word, then you can say replacement, for example. Replacement. You analyze this as replace and ment. So that is studying the structure. By analyzing, you study the structure. And changing words. Say this happens especially. So we say no, we say take. Third person singular is takes. So you change the ending to change the word. Here we are changing the ending. Take, takes. Talked. So forms of words we saw. That is noun, adjective, adjective from noun from adjective, and so on, adverb and so on. That is forms of words. Then we have got the word making. So you can make words with, as I already told you, if you have got the pre plus history. Both these you have. So you put them together, you make it words. Then analyzing, replacement, studying the structure, analyzing and studying the structure, and changing the word. So changing the word, that is especially in grammar we find. And that we call inflection. That is, inflection means changing the ending of a word for changing the meaning and its form. In this case, you can see talk. You change the ending by adding ed, then it becomes past tense. Present tense becomes past tense. So this is a simple definition of morphology. More of morphology we will see later. Till then, bye.